Hi, I'm Michael from Unagi. I'm going to show you what's inside the box of a brand new Unagi Model 1.
First thing you see when you open the box, assembly instructions. Let's pull out the scooter box.
The handlebar comes inside this separate packaging. Quick start guide shows you how to operate your scooter. And then look at that. So everything you need here, your screws to attach your handlebar to the stem, as well as the assembly tool, and your charger. Okay, let's assemble the handlebars. We've got a cable end here, and a cable end up here that matches. So let's go ahead and attach those. Snaps right into place. And slide this right in here. And then finally is using the screws. Included in the box is the charger, and it plugs in just on the left-hand side of the scooter. Pull back this rubber, and then plugs in right there. Great, all assembled. Now you're ready to ride.